We are Kelby and Adam, and welcome to our Life Through a Lens. So we have just arrived at Strauisbaai, which is in the Western Cape of South Africa, and it is absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, we thought we literally just dumped everything off in our apartment and come straight here. We couldn't wait.
Look how beautiful this place is. Wow.
And the weather's good as well, so we're trying to make the most of it. So let's go and see what else we can discover.
Okay guys, so it seems like this is the main beach in Strauisbaai. I don't know how to pronounce it. But this water is so turquoise. It is absolutely beautiful. I know I keep on saying that, but each place just keeps blowing me away. Literally. Okay, so it seems like this is the place to be. Music's pumping. Our host said that we have to come here because it is vibey. So let's go and check it out. We're at the Sea Shack Beach Bar Restaurant.
It's quite a tongue twister, that.
Cheers.
So it's not as busy as it looks from the outside.
Everyone's lining up for ice cream.
Yeah, but I think it can definitely get quite festive here. There's quite a lot of room in here. Check it out. So the prices are also pretty much average prices, I'd say, in South Africa. So for our 2 drinks it was 50 rand. That's a beer and a cider, 50 rand. So
And nothing beats a cold drink on a hot day. We finally have good weather.
it's awesome.
Welcome to our crib for tune-up.
We have just made it to the most southern tip in Africa.
Yeah! So this is the point where the Atlantic Ocean and the Indian Ocean meet and they become friends.
So today we've decided to come back to the southernmost point of Africa, and we've come across a shipwreck.
So the ship behind us is an old Japanese fishing vessel and it ran aground in 1982. Is that what I said? Yeah. So it's older than me. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.
One love.
And this is what 40 kilometers an hour wind looks like.
A little bit windier today than yesterday. What's so cool as well, now I've never had this before. See right there? Car right here. See? Car. See?